Hello, and welcome to MEC 105 Everyday Science for the summer 2021 semester. My name is Jay Mendelson. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Our office hours this summer are going to be via Zoom. The whole class is online, so why wouldn't we use online for office hours too? And that'll be on Mondays and Thursdays from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. The URL for that meeting will be posted in Blackboard. There aren't any prerequisites for this class, but the textbook Science of Everything, which as far as I know is only in hardcover, is available from National Geographic Society, so please order it quickly. I also have seen it on Amazon. All of your homework and exams are going to be on Blackboard, as well as all the course files will be there. Announcements will be made for your assignments as we go along this summer. All of the homework assignments, quizzes, and the final exam are automatically graded with numerical scores posted to Blackboard immediately after you submit the assignment. You get 3 tries to do your homework, and we take the highest grade, so please take advantage of that to try to get 100% on all your homeworks. And like all quizzes and exams, though, you only get 1 try. Within a day or 2 after assignments or quizzes are due, we'll publish the answer key, and you'll be able to look up what the correct answers were for problems that you got wrong. Class info is all stored in Blackboard. Announcements are rightly stored in the announcements section. The course document holds the syllabus, lecture files, links to videos, and the assignments section rightfully holds the homework assignments as well as quizzes and exams. Here's an example of what happens when you click on course documents. For each of the 6 weeks of our class, you will see the slides posted for that week as well as the URL for the video. I do store all the videos in YouTube. Here's what you see when you click on assignments. There'll be both homeworks and quizzes there. And here's what you see when you go and click on a particular assignment. For example, clicking on Mechanics Part 1 Homework will take you to this screen, which is the instructions for the homework and the due date. When you see this screen, you just read the directions and click Continue. And this is an example of what you'll see for the first question. All the other questions will look like this one. Sometimes they'll be fill-in-the-blank questions, sometimes we'll be looking for a number for a simple calculation, and sometimes it'll be multiple choice or multiple answer. The material that I create is copyrighted, that is the exams and the homeworks and the slides as well as my own videos, so please don't post them on websites such as Course Hero and Chegg and Slater. These websites sell the material that students upload to them, but they don't give a piece of the revenue to the professors. They keep it all for themselves, which I think is quite unfair. If I was going to post my material on their website, they'd have to pay me, but sometimes my material gets posted there and I wind up having to request that it's taken down later. So the bottom line is, please respect the copyright nature of the class material. Here's our topics for the class. We'll spend 2 weeks on mechanics, which is a lot of material that you would study in a typical class in physics. But in particular with mechanics, we will show you the types of products and inventions that these principles are embedded in. And for natural forces like gravity and electricity and magnetism, you would typically study that in the second half of a class on physics. We'll show you the products and inventions that are related to natural forces, and that'll be 2 weeks of the class. We then spend a week talking about material science, and that will take advantage of what you know about chemistry, either from a high school or college level. We'll spend some time on polymers, which is a field that I learned a lot about when I was working in industry. And a cool subject, nanotechnology, we'll go into. That is in its latest research phases and partly embedded in some of the newest products out there. And then the last week of the class is basic biology and medicine, and we'll start talking about different medical devices and some material about cellular mechanics, and we'll very lightly touch on gene technology. I personally am not an expert in this, so I just touch on it lightly, just for those of you who have not taken an advanced biology class where you will study it in far more detail than we try to in MEC 105. Here's a schedule for the class. The material is posted by 10 a.m. on Monday morning. The homework each week will be due Thursday at midnight, and then the window opens to take the quiz on the particular material. That window opens at Friday at 10 o'clock, closes Saturday at midnight. Each of the 6 weeks of the class will follow the similar kinds of schedule until we get near the end of the class, where Quiz 6 on biology and medicine, rather than opening up on a Friday, will open on a Thursday and close on Friday at midnight. And then the final exam will open the window Friday at 10 a.m. and close on Saturday at midnight, where 8:13 is the beginning of the window, 8:14 is the last day of the class. Notice that when I talk about a window of time, that's the window of time that you have to take the test. The test, of course, is not nearly as long as the window implies, but I try to have a very wide range of times that people can take tests, because not everyone is in Eastern Time Zone during summer. People are, well, wherever they are in online land. So with that, I wish you good luck on the course. Any questions you may have, I am going to be on the Zoom meeting. You'll talk to me live Mondays and Thursdays from 5 to 7. I'll be able to tutor you on pieces of information that you find confusing, and I'll also be able to help you out with your homeworks. Good luck with the class.